Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about model. Model is a class that represents the logical structure and relationship of underlying data table. In Laravel, each of the database table has a corresponding model, okay, that allows us to interact with that table. Models gives us the way to retrieve, insert, and update information into data table. So let's go inside the database table and so just open new tab and here just open phpMyAdmin and select the database, okay, which is Laravel 8 ProDB. So just open this and you can see here the post table. So just browse this post table and inside this post table there are some posts here, okay. Now let's create a model for this post table. So switch to the command prompt and here just type the command php artisan make colon model a space model name, okay. The naming convention of model is a model should be in singular, okay, and no spacing between words and capitalized. All right, so just type here post first letter in capital, okay. Now press enter. All right, model has been created inside the app directory. So just run this application. So just write here php artisan third, okay. Now switch to the project, just go inside the app and you can see here models directory and you can see here the post model, okay. And inside this model just add here the table name. So simply write here protected dollar table is equal to table name which is post. So just write here post, okay. Now save this file. Now let's see how we can use this model inside the controller. So go to the post controller. So inside the http then controllers and from here just open post controller and first of all let's add here model. So just write here use app slash model models, okay, slash post model. All right, now save this file and here let's create a method for fetching all the posts from the post table, okay. So here just create a function. So just write here public function and let's say function name. So let's write here function name, let's say get all posts using model, okay. And here just write dollar posts is equal to post colon all, okay. And simply return here return dollar posts, okay. Now go to the web.php file, just open routes then open web.php and here let's create the route. So just write here route get and write here the URI, let's say all dash posts, okay. Just add the controller name which is post controller colon class function name. So just copy this function name get all post inside the single quote, okay. And add here the name post dot get all post, okay. using model. Now save this file and let's check. So switch to the browser and just go to the URL and just add here /all dash posts. Okay, now press enter and you can see here all the post records. Okay, so this way you can create and use model in Laravel 8. So that's all about model. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.